Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel. I'm answering question number 5 now from the IGCSE Cambridge paper 4 specimen paper. This is the B specimen paper for the new 2025, the new format. Here, paper 4 is a calculator paper, 2 hours long, made up of a mixture of short and long questions. Now here, question number 5 seems to be about areas and ratios. So it says the diagram shows a trapezium ABEF joined to a square BCDE. So there's some important words here. We know this is a trapezium. We know this is a square. Okay, so those terms are important for us. ABC is a straight line and AB equals 7 centimeters as shown. The ratio of AF to BE is 3 to 2. Okay, so AF, the ratio of AF to BE is 3 to 2. Okay, so the ratio of these two is 3 to 2. And the area of the square is 32 centimeters squared. Calculate the area of the trapezium. Okay, so now we know this length is 7 centimeters. And we know the ratio of AF to BE is 3 to 2. Okay, and we know the area of the square is 32 centimeters. So the area of the square part is 32 centimeters squared. All right. So let's say this is X. Because it's a square, all the 4 sides are the same. So this is also X. So what we can say is that the length BE, BC, the length of the square is going to be X. So we can say X squared is equal to 32. So X is equal to the square root of 32. You can leave it like that for now. So that's the length of this side here, the square root of 32. And that's the length of this side here, the square root of 32. Now it says also that AF to BE is in the ratio 3 to 2. So we know that AF to BE is in the ratio 3 to 2. So we don't know what AF is. So we can say AF to BE, which we know is root 32. So we can work out now AF by using simple proportion, 3 times root 32 over 2. So that's going to be AF. Okay, so if we know the length of AF, we can now find the area of the trapezium. Okay, so let's just, root 32, I think that's going to be 16 times 2, so it's going to be 4 root 2. Okay, just to make sure. We can use the calculator now. That's 4 root 2, so X equals 4 root 2. So this is 3 times 4 root 2 over 2. So you end up with 6 root 2. Just make sure of that again. So we have 3 times root 32. Okay, divided by 2. That's going to be 6 root 2. All right, so now we have the lengths that we need. This length is 6 root 2. This is 7. And for the area of a trapezium, we can do this in 2 ways. I prefer to use the formula for the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is given by the distance between the parallel sides divided by 2 times the sum of the parallel sides. Okay, so here the distance between the parallel sides is 7. And the parallel sides have the lengths 4 root 2 and 6 root 2. This is 4 root 2, remember? Okay, so we can find the area of the trapezium. Okay, it's going to be the distance between the parallel sides divided by 2 times the sum of the parallel sides, as we said, 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2. So that will give us 7 over 2. Okay, times, that's going to be 10 root 2. 10 times root 2. And that gives us 35 root 2, 35 root 2. And we have to give our answers to 3SF if they're not exact. So it's 49.497, 49.497, which is the same as 49.5 centimeters squared. So there's the answer to question number 5. Okay, so 49.5 centimeters squared. And that completes question number 5, which is all about area of basic shapes. So you want to see other questions from the paper, click on the link on the top right of the screen. You want to see other questions about this topic of area of basic shapes, click on the link over here in the bottom of the screen. Subscribe to the channel by clicking on this link, and the playlist here will be, the video here will tell you how to use my channel effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.